These guys are the lifeguards. And the someone's landing in the garden of Buckingham Palace, guys. I can't tell you.
Okay, so I'm heading out of my hostel right now. Yesterday especially was really crazy. I had a walking tour in the morning, free walking tour by Sandeman's New Europe. Amazing. If you're going to a city that they have walking tours in, definitely go. It was, you know, you got to hear a lot about everything kind of around that you wouldn't really know just walking around, so that was really great. And then I ran off and went and met my aunt and went around St. Paul's Cathedral. Amazing. Like, I didn't want to go in because it was like 20 quid, so like 20 pounds. But I did, and I'm so glad that I did because it's probably the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. It's my favorite thing in London so far. And then I went off and went to Tate Modern as well, which, you know, if you love modern art, it was great. And then I went to a dinner with a friend at like this traditional pub. It was called the City of York, and it's like C-I-T-T-I-E, not C-I-T-Y. But it was amazing. It was like super traditional pub food and like super traditional English pub food. And so I got fish and chips, and normally I don't like fish and chips. I'm not really a fish and chips kind of person. I don't like it, but it was amazing. Like, amazing. My favorite thing I've eaten so far since being in London. So anyways, I'm headed off now. So I'm going to Pret a Manger for some coffee and just like this thing called a hot shot. I'll show you what it is. Basically, it's called Pret a Manger, but everyone calls it Pret here, and it's like a chain, and it's everything's like 2 pounds, 3 pounds, 4 pounds. It's super cheap. Absolutely love it. Flat white as well? Okay, so a little update. I'm at Regent's Park right now. Had to take the Hammersmith and City line all the way over here. It was a long ride, but so worth it. It's sunny today and it's absolutely beautiful out. And if I haven't said it before, but I've been saying it like to myself the past 2 days, I love London. London is amazing. It's so polite, everyone's so nice here. Like in Canada, you know, if you say good morning, everyone's like, oh, good morning, you know, whatever. You know, you ask how someone's day is going, they're like, it's fine, what? They're kind of like weirded out there asking. I'm sorry, I'm out of breath because I was like running. But here, it's like, I just said good morning to this old man. I said good morning, and he said very good. And then he was telling me about how he's seen 3 different species of birds that aren't commonly here at this time. How he was really excited about it. Like, it's just such a friendly place. I love it. It's so nice, so beautiful. Really glad I came here instead of Hyde Park. Really glad. So I'm still at Regent's Park right now, and it is gorgeous. Definitely top 5 things to do in London when you're here. You could spend hours just getting lost here, and you could bring a picnic and just sit by the water, and it's, oh, I never want to leave. But like, look at this, it's gorgeous. And also, completely free to get into. You just walk in, you explore, you do whatever. There's coffee shops, you can bring lunch, but you don't have to pay any money to get in. Perfect for budget travel. Okay, so I just went by 221B Baker Street, which is where Sherlock Holmes lived, supposedly, but he obviously didn't live there because he's fictional. But I got a picture outside, but I read that it wasn't really worth it to go in because it's about 15 pounds, and you just kind of get like rushed around a small little room with not a whole lot. So maybe I'm wrong, but I decided not to go in. But it was really cool, and I took some video and some pictures, and then headed to Sherlock Holmes statue right now. Walk in, it's free to get in, and then you can just get lunch. So this was £5, and it's chicken oregano soup and a bread roll. So it just looks like that. Looks super delicious. I haven't tried it yet, but this place is absolutely insane. It's the cutest little. Super nice to have lunch here. So this is just off of Trafalgar Square. If you're in Trafalgar Square and it's a bit cold, or obviously come here, it's really nice. Yeah. Nice little break. So I'm at the National Portrait Gallery right now, and I didn't know that we could take pictures, but I just asked and I found out we can. So I was in the more modern section. It's called the Britain 1960 to 2000, I believe. And it was really cool. We got to see Dame Judi Dench and Milan, like all these really cool people, Elton John and Paul McCartney and all these things. So, but now I'm heading to this section, which is Victorians, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And by the way, it's completely free to enter. They recommended £5 donation, but it's completely free to enter, and I highly recommend it. You know, because all this is art. It's like paintings and stuff, but it's also of people that you know, and you get to hear some of the history about them. So it's really cool. Section. So yeah, like Thomas Graham and Sir George Williams, and looking around at these, they can give you real names and not just like people I would think would be here. Here's Darwin right here, Charles Darwin. So that's a portrait of him. But it's so quiet. There's only one woman in this entire room, and it's her, Elizabeth Garrett Anderson. She was a physician. I'm heading to the next room, which I'm not sure what it is. But this room's entirely portraits and politics. like a banana, and this smoothie thing that's like super popular here. Then I went to Pret a Manger and I got this like ham and cheese baguette sandwich, which was really good. And then I have smoked Chipotle crisps, which are chips, but they call them crisps here. I'm gonna eat this and then pack up my bags and like check out for my flight and stuff because I'm flying to Berlin tomorrow. So that's all that's happening tonight. So anyways, I'll see you guys later.